Organize With Me Kitchen Edition. Now, if you watched the last couple of episodes, you know that I am doing all things organizing this month. So don't forget to click subscribe and see more of my easy organization ideas and actually go behind the scenes and organize with me. You'll see the good, the bad, and the ugly. Mostly the ugly, but we end with the good. At julieblanner.com, I share easy ideas for simple living that celebrate everyday life, like easy recipes, home decor that blends design and function, and effortless entertaining ideas like arranging flowers and hosting get-togethers. Now today on Organize With Me Kitchen Edition, we're gonna tackle another drawer. This drawer should be pretty quick and easy. It's next to my range, so I use it all the time. So at least I know what's in there this time, right? I mean, if you saw my junk drawer, which I'll link to in the description below, it was pretty unsightly. It was a little on the scary side, and gosh, 95% of it didn't even belong there. But I guess that's what happens with a junk drawer. It's a catch-all. So this drawer hopefully goes a lot more seamlessly and a lot less shamefully for me. To get started, we're gonna pull everything out of the drawer. All right, like I promised, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And we pretty much always start with the ugly. Now, one of the things that I have is a little bit of an excess because I do a lot of filming. So I have my dirty pot holders and I have my nice, clean, crisp ones that I use for videos. So if this looks excessive to you, that's my reason of why I'm trying to justify it. But even putting these all in the same direction really make things feel a lot more cohesive. So little things like that go a long way. We're gonna set those aside. I have my rubber ones. I was given these as a wedding gift and for some reason I really like them. I'm not going to let go of those today. I have multiple sets of my copper measuring spoons because when they went on sale, I couldn't resist. Sales are really dangerous that way and often lead to excess. But some of my measuring spoons don't look so great. So again, for video, I like to keep a fresh set. I don't know if I would really need to store those in here though permanently. So you'll see that all of these have kind of come out of their little sets and I might need to line them up a little bit better. Just stacking things makes it much more tolerable. See how nasty this one has gotten as it's aged and everything that I've used in it. So that's why I purchased some nice, clean, neat ones for video. The kids love this, but I have absolutely no use for it, so we're gonna eliminate that. They can use it downstairs in their kitchen if they want. All right. Let's finish getting all of these together. And one of the things about like cooking utensil drawers is they kind of get dirty and dingy and you're using it to cook with. So this drawer really should be cleaned out a lot more often. And here we go. We're gonna take we're kind of keeping the nice set together. This looks like the nicer set. Is it the nicer set? That's the nicer set, and then this is the older set. Okay. I don't really love cooking with plastic. I prefer cooking with wood, but I do keep these around because sometimes they do come in handy, so I need to figure out what to do with those. All my spatulas. Again, on kitchen production days, I tend to use these a lot more often. However, like this one doesn't match and really I don't need it. I have plenty, so I'm going to eliminate that. I don't really need this silicone whisk. My other one works perfect and I don't have any pans that require silicone, so I'll eliminate that. This thing, I wish this came in white, but it is like the best little cookie spatula. I can't eliminate that. This doesn't belong in this drawer. I actually have a knife just for this. I'm going to go relocate that. Okay, again, plastic, but we're going to keep it. I have these all clad measuring cups. And I'll link to all my cooking stuff in the description below if you have any interest. And I know it seems excessive, but on production days where we're testing out recipes, I do use all my measuring cups. So now that we've eliminated everything, we can wipe it all down. Now I just use soap and water in my handy spray bottle. That way it's non-toxic, it's easy on our nice new kitchen. How long can I call it new for? I guess that we've had it almost 3 years now. Time sure flies. So much better, and I'll feel better eating with the utensils that have been used in here. Now let me run to the basement and get a couple of organization things that I had purchased for this, and I'll be right back. Okay, once again, I purchased some storage bins from IKEA, but you can get them from an array of places that fit nicely into the drawer. They're bamboo, so they're a renewable resource, which I always love. And I'm going to put all my spatulas in one. I don't know, can't decide how I want to do that, maybe like that. There we go. And then I'm going to put all the plastic stuff. By the way, I still keep some of my mom's cooking goods because it brings me so much joy. Even though she passed away almost 15 years ago, I know sometimes it feels like I'm cooking with her. So I have no shame in those sentimental things that bring me joy. I'll always hang on to. And now I've got placement for my measuring cups. And we're going to kind of figure out what we're going to do with all my excess stuff. So I can stack 2 measuring cups here. And I'm going to do these and 1 set of these, and I think I'm going to do my video stuff maybe in another cabinet where it makes more sense. Maybe just hold on a couple of these that I need here regularly. Never enough drawer space, is there? Okay, so I think that looks so much better. Let's see here. I do want to keep these in here as well. Trying to figure out what the best plan of action is. Maybe even just tossing these on top. Does that seem reasonable? I don't know. Nothing's perfect, especially not in the Blanner house. But, oops. This is so much better. Things won't shift around. This is really just what I need for everyday cooking. And I think I'm going to I have an extra cabinet, I'm going to make a video cooking center. So when we're making videos or when I'm testing recipes, I can utilize those as backup because that's just what they are. They're just backup. And I'm going to toss this on top over here. But it is so much better. You can still open and close. And these tend to stay put. They don't shift a lot. So it will keep these things in their individual compartments and you know exactly where to find them when you're looking for them. Now this drawer took just about 10 minutes from start to finish to organize. And that's exactly what I'm looking for when I'm looking for an organization project. Something quick and easy I can do, take it 1 drawer at a time, and anything is better than nothing, right? To click subscribe because I have so many more of these Organize With Me videos coming, along with home decor ideas, recipes, and so much more. So I look forward to seeing you again soon.